Every morning you wake up, I want you to say this one powerful prayer, no matter what religion you follow. I learned this from Louis Hay, who's a world-famous speaker and the best-selling author of the book, You Can Heal Your Life. Please make sure to save this so that you can use it as a reminder. As soon as you wake up, close your eyes and say this all is well. Everything is working out for my highest good, and out of each experience I go through, only good will come to me. I am safe, I'm protected, and I'm loved. This prayer works like magic because even before you start your day, you're priming your subconscious mind to look for the good in everything that is about to happen in your day. So start your day with this powerful mantra and type ready if you're going to make this a part of your morning routine. If you are serious about changing life, then make sure to join our movements by living Zasafalo.